Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Vanguard for Valorant. All right, let's begin. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings. Then click on the Settings window. On the left side, click Apps. Then Installed Apps. In the search box, type Vanguard. If it appears, uninstall it from your device. Once uninstalled, open CMD as administrator. After opening, type SC delete VGC and press enter. Then SC delete VGK and press enter. After that, close the window and make sure the Riot Games application is fully closed. Now, reopen the Start menu and launch the Riot client. Sign into your Riot Games account, click on Games from the left side, and select Valorant. The client will detect that Vanguard is missing, so press the Update button. This will install Vanguard automatically on your device. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can install Vanguard for Valorant, and that's it for this video. Thanks.